Someone once beautifully said, hang your happiness on the hooks of others and you will be their hostage forever. So where is your happiness? Where is it hooked? Is it something that is dependent on you, or is it dependent on others? And if you expect other people to come into your life and make you happy, you're going to be unhappy for the longest of time. And I'm here to remind you that you have the power to rewire your brain and to rewire your thinking and to look at life differently, because you deserve the very best that life has to offer. So, who are you dependent when it comes to happiness? Don't get so much dependent on others to come and bring you happiness, because true happiness lives deep down within yourself. And it's all about perspective in life, because the same thing can be said, others are going to be upset about it. But you find some of us are just all smiles when it comes to that particular thing. So it's all a matter of perspectives. So how is your perspective? Because once again, if you don't scrap those windows in your life, because those windows are your assumptions on which you look at the world. And if you don't keep on scrubbing them off once in a while, trust me, the sun won't come in. But it won't only be your sun that won't come in, but it will be the sun in other people's lives as well. So you bring in misery wherever you go. I'm sure you've once heard that wherever you go, there you are. So, as a neuroengineer, I'm here to help you transform from a place of mental darkness to mental light. So let's go.